The cost to an airport when there's been a drone incursion is phenomenal. Well, one company that's going to be making a difference about this is Skywall. I'm with Andrew Charlton, who's going to tell me about the truck that's standing behind us. Andrew, welcome to the programme. Tell us about Skywall.
Yeah, so Skywall is a counter-UAV solution, and we're here with our partner Steel Rock, who are also demonstrating their night fighter capability, which is an RF defeat type system. But alongside that, obviously, Skywall is our physical net capture system, so that physically captures the drone in a net. It's low collateral damage. And as you've already quite rightly pointed out, the cost to, for example, the closure of an airport can be phenomenal. And this is a very low-cost solution to those entities.
Now, you're talking about two different solutions here, really, aren't you? The RF one and your net. So
Yes.
Just explain to us what the difference is between those two.
Okay, so basically RF defeat, that will typically interfere with the command and control to the drone. That will typically have two types of outcome. It will either make the drone return to its home location, or it may just actually bring the drone down to a landing position. Sometimes that is an unknown outcome. So what we have is a predictable outcome using a physical net capture system. So the technology works hand in hand, basically. And if you cue this into a system of detection, then you have a fully layered defense system, which is what we're demonstrating here.
Now, one thing that I'm really interested in is that it's on a truck. Now, presumably that allows you to stick it on an airfield somewhere. It can get around to where it wants to. But it can also look different, can't it?
Exactly, yeah. So obviously we have it here in this rather obvious livery, if you like. But if it was, for example, to be deployed by an airport, they could just maybe paint the truck white. It could be disguised as maybe a fire truck. And the idea is that it's quickly deployable. It's low key. You obviously have this clamshell system that we have here, which would cover the full system, and then when it's ready to be deployed, that clamshell will open out, and then the system's deployed rapidly. And it is fully autonomous. So we have an artificial intelligence tracking system that's built into this system, and that will detect various types of drone and track them. And then obviously the human in the loop is the decision to fire and physically take down the drone, or to actually jam it first if that's the requirement.
So a very efficient system that actually will cost a lot less than it would do to close an airport for a day. So hope you do some business.
Well, thank you very much. Thank you.